Hey guys, what is going on? It's Colin C here, back from the Crypto Boys, and today I don't have our normal fancy equipment as we have a lot of decent equipment, but Joe has it at work today. He's working on this super big Harmony update. I don't know if it's super big, but very important Harmony update. So he took the computer and everything with him today to work, and I was like, man, I forgot I can't do my video because I didn't get it out in time. I'm like, screw it, I got my cell phone, I can do it, I can make it happen. So here I am, we're gonna hit the video, make it work. I would really appreciate it, guys, if you guys would like this video and subscribe to the channel. As I always say, and I'm probably getting annoying, if we haven't deserved or we haven't earned your subscription, keep coming back anyways. We will make sure we get that done whenever we can. We just appreciate you guys watching the video, maybe learning something about crypto, finance, whatever it may be. Okay, we appreciate you guys being here. All right, let's get into the video. Couple things I want to do is go over some mistakes I made when I was first getting into crypto, specifically not buying Bitcoin early enough. And really, I woke up last night kind of thinking about it. I'm like, man, I really screwed up. I screwed up not buying Bitcoin, because had I just bought Bitcoin with all the money I have invested now, I would have way more money than all these altcoins. Yeah, did I make a bunch of money on Cardano to be able to create this channel and do other things? Absolutely. But I didn't even come close to selling at the top. I rode that thing up to $3 after buying it at like 58 cents. I bought it at 31 cents, sold some, then bought it at 58 cents again, rolled that thing up to $3, didn't sell any of it. I mean, same thing with VeChain, which I'm going to go over a little bit later. But had you have just trusted in Bitcoin and been able to ride out the Bitcoin waves, which was at 64,000 or 65,000, went down to 29,000, so about a 50% crash, which in terms of a bear market or terms of, crypto in general, that's not very big. I mean, we call that usually a Tuesday, am I right? However, and then you got the last run up we just had, which was 69,000 down to, and we're showing a lot of support at 34,000. It's looking really good there, especially with the bounce we're having off. On top of that, let me show you the chart. So there, okay, I got the chart pulled up on my computer. Just bear with me here for a second. If you look at the chart here, if you look at this orange, you look at the orange circle here, that's obviously the last high, and then now you've got the blue one, which is the previous high from just this last little bump we have. You're usually going to be expected to set a lower high on in any sort of relief rally, any sort of correction, any sort of pump you have. You're going to think about setting that lower high. That didn't happen, so that's a bullish marker right there, in my opinion. Obviously, you can have arguments about it, but that's what I think is happening. And you see the slower decline off of the. If you look kind of highs ago after the 65,000, a very steep direction, a very vertical drop, a lot of panic selling, a lot of people taking profits even at the low price they were. That's not happening now. You are seeing bulls pick up the price. You are seeing bulls pick up the price more efficiently and more effectively than ever before, in my opinion. So that's part of the reason why you're missing out on Bitcoin if you don't invest in it early. And really, truly, you're missing out on potential gains that you should have. Having Bitcoin in your portfolio is huge. And just look at some of my things that I bought when I was early on. I was very early into Cardano. I rode that thing up to $3, didn't sell any of it, and now it's back down to 85 cents. That's over, I don't even want to know how big of a correction it is, 250%, whatever that is. Or you could even look at Sandbox. I could have gotten a Sandbox at 79 cents, didn't buy any, bought a little bit at 3 cents, watched it, or $3, watch it roll up to $8, over $8, and now it's back down to $3 where it's sitting. And then you got VeChain, my worst crypto mistake of all time. Bought it just under like 6 cents or something like that, watched it just rip to 27 cents, and now where's it at? Under 4 cents or something, or it's been under 4 cents, now it's just at 5 cents. These are the kind of dips in the volatility you can avoid, and the mistakes I have made early in the crypto space. Just ask yourself this: why do you think every single big-time investor, Michael Saylor, I know people don't like Mark Cuban, but he buys a lot of Bitcoin. You've got Elon Musk, who's got, Tesla on there. You've got all these countries adopting it. El Salvador, Ukraine's got a bunch of it. Look at what's going on over there. And I'm not even getting it because that's not a part of this video, but look at everybody big time who's buying crypto. What do they do first? They buy Bitcoin. Now, I understand we don't have money like they do, so a double on 25 million, a double on 25 billion is a lot different than a double on 125 bucks. I get that, but regardless of what you have, you should be just DCAing into Bitcoin, into your into that, just a little bit of a fund that you have of your own money getting into Bitcoin, because without it, your portfolio stands to really dip over years and years and months, and you possibly can't take anything, and then you're gonna have to sell at a loss. At least at Bitcoin, you're gonna keep your money at a more steady, even rate. And also look at the trends. Look what happens. They follow Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is ripping the most out of any currency right now on, currency, whatever, but it is ripping more than any other project right now. Am I right? I mean, maybe besides Terra Luna, maybe the couple outliers, but for the most part, Bitcoin's ripping. It's up like 16, 17% on the week. It's up a bunch on the day. It's looking very bullish and looking good. However, when you don't have that in your portfolio, you don't have that stability, that is when you get wrecked, that is when you get mad, and that is when you get out of crypto because you decided to make the mistake and not get into Bitcoin. It is something I made the mistake of, so now I DCA into Bitcoin every single month just so I have a little bit of it no matter what and keep my portfolio up, keep my portfolio moving. I think that's very important. These big boys, these big dogs, these big girls, these big hedge funds, these big countries, everything, they're buying Bitcoin for a reason. Why aren't we doing that? I mean, seriously, why are we not doing that as us smaller investors? And I understand you want to chase the 100x, but newsflash, 100x's are probably going to be going away. Think of the past here very soon, and your portfolio will get wrecked. There's more rug pulls out there than ever before. It's easier to make coins than ever before. It's easier to say that, things are going on that are good, that are not going on good. It's easier with the staking, with the airdrops, with all these things to get yourself wrecked. There's no point in doing that anymore. Make good decisions. Make decisions that you are proud of, that you think, hey, this is going to be long term. As I've always said, and I will continue to say, if you're not willing to get in the crypto market for 4 years, don't go in. Put it in an ETF, put it in some sort of fund that's going to give you 10% annually. Stop messing around with crypto. If you're not willing to go in for 4 years and really get, your money working for you, there's really no point in being in it, because eventually you will get wrecked. If you even start trading it a little bit or whatever the case may be, you need so much time and energy and effort to learn what it's like to actually do these things that you're going to end up just losing money, getting mad at the space. When you finally done getting kind of licking your wounds, and it's 4 years later and you see Bitcoin and you see crypto rolling again, you're going to buy back in the same cycle. Exactly what you just went through is going to happen again. It's going to be buying higher highs. It's going to be, telling all your friends, look at Bitcoin, look at the crypto market, it's flying up. Yeah, I'm in it. I was in it early. I'm bad. Yeah, I'm a bad dude. You get it, And then guess what happens? You don't sell any because you don't take any profit because someone told you it's going to go to 100K right away, and it hasn't done that. So then you sell, and then you sell lower, and then you don't take any profits, and you get back in. Now you're mad, and the whole cycle continues. So we don't want our subscribers to get wrecked here. We don't want, even us to get wrecked. These are mistakes we have made. I have made 100% admitted. And anyways, that was what my video was about. It was going to be much more professional, but I don't have the equipment with me right now. So I wanted to make sure I got this out. Anyways, guys, if you guys have any comments below, go ahead and hit me up. But as always, I appreciate you being with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube. I'm out.